Critical alert for Bitcoin. Critical alert. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. Yes, I'm excited. There was a 15% hit from the 50% retracement from that 50% zone that we identified last night in live stream. If you guys trade Bitcoin, you understand 15% move is a huge day. If you guys run leverage, etc. First of all, I want you guys to smash the like button. This is London. I need to know if you guys are trading Bitcoin. In terms of subscribing, make sure that you not only subscribe, turn on all notifications. Our VIP membership is the top level of membership, and we covered this specific pattern last night, this ascending triangle. Bam, I gave that to them in the back, and check out what happened. Let's dig into the 5-minute chart real quickly. That ascending triangle worked out perfectly. I was updating the VIP in the back. This line of resistance across the top, okay, reconfirmed as support. Nice move to the upside. You have to get this from the 5-minute chart. Ascending line of support. Buyers stepping in. And if you didn't catch the 50% retracement, I'm just going to tell you, you probably weren't in our live stream. I tried to get 2 or 3 times who is trading in the live stream. It was just there. This was a 50% retracement. It's a macro target. In terms of that, we guys, the old axiom goes, buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. Bam, that's a nice target. In terms of where we have met or encountered resistance, please pay attention. And we will be streaming tonight. That's why those notifications are crucial. This hit at the previous $65,000 all-time high. This brought into focus with this specific trend line, guys, that it creates in the secondary pivot and around that 53,000. If we bring that particular line down, you'll see that that line has held again. So we brought that to people's attention in a live stream, trying to prepare you for the next trade day, trying to help you guys book positive trades. But you'll see that is the line on the 5-minute that we have. Essentially, it's operated as a kill switch, just a very, very solid level of resistance. Yet again, we hit it after we discovered it in the stream, and I brought it to your attention. We hit it a few days ago. We've hit it again. We'd like to get up, I'd say, and out. We need to get free and clear, essentially, of this specific zone in here. We're going to talk about the 4-hourly really quickly. The 4-hourly on those moving averages, I have continually brought those to your attention. If you look at the 100 moving average, that orange line, we came into perfect contact with that orange line on the 4-hourly. You understand, after this first hit on the 50%, okay, and this was a stronger hit on the re-hit on the 50% than the original hit. That's impressive. That's very impressive in terms of the price action we're seeing. We love the volatility. Bring it on. As we would talk about this specific, the goal of establishing the uptrend after this first hit at the 50% was getting up and above this specific orange line and the purple line, the 100 and the 200 moving average. So to the extent that we've already come into contact with the 100, yes, it operated as resistance, but if we can flip that on the 4-hourly like we did previously, it's just step one in terms of creating an uptrend. So we're looking forward to positive price action. Now, say this, guys, if we can flip these moving averages and maintain price above, we are going to be meeting the definition of an uptrend on the 4-hourly. First and foremost, we need to get free and clear of these difficult patterns. There's a reason why the expanding wedge is bearish. They're just difficult typically to beat. So this broadening expanding wedge has the expectation of dropping down and out. We did say last night one of the strongest competing factors against the bearish pattern was running right into that 50%. So I understand, guys. I understand that you're trading. I'm excited about that. If you are looking to up your game in 2022, you have some options with us. You can join Basecamp. That's just to show up like you belong in our live streams. You'll have the badge next to you. Very important. Show up like you belong with a badge next to you in our live stream. Restricted Zone VIP, they're the guys in the back. They're the ones that got the ascending triangle right on par in terms of that, really an outperformance, but they're the ones who had the best opportunity to book that trade. So when we would look at Restricted Zone VIP, it's $99 a month. I want to make sure you want to be with our group. It's not a Discord. It's not anything else, guys. We have the top shelf membership. Shout out to Angel, okay? Angel's been in Bitcoin invested since $7.79. Brother, I'll just take a moment to say hello to you. That's just it. I hope you're doing well. And aside from all the memberships, everything else, which we are building, I'm going to let you guys know we are building, but I really appreciate having a relationship with Angel. He is top-notch, best trader I know in crypto. So if you guys want access to I just say the top shelf TA and the guy who's been around Bitcoin for longer than anybody else. It's just we're happy to hang out together and trade together. But if you guys would like to join us, we certainly like to have you. That join button will be there, and sincerely, it will be there on your desktop computer. Also, we use technical analysis from essentially the fundamentals from New York Institute of Finance, and that's just the level of caliber that we look to, and it helps me get signals like this to the VIP in the back. And if you guys would like to join us, we would be pleased to have you. We hope your 2022 is shaping up nicely so far with price action like this. I don't see how it could be how it could not. This is just a trader's dream come true. Let's see if we can have some more volatility, get up and out of these zones, flip these moving averages. We're looking forward to the bulls charging in. Let's get over this line of resistance as well. Key focal in terms of the stream tonight. Just make sure you plug in. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. Thank you for your time.